Thank you for participating in our Texas A&M FishVerify study with funding from NOAA Sea Grant. 1 in every 25 people who participate in this part of the study will receive a prize of $500. Thanks for participating. The first thing you need to do is install the app. Go to the Google Play Store, type FishVerify. This will find the app. Click Install. Then, once it's ready, click Open. And that will take you to the app and you're ready to start logging in. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to give it some permissions. First, allow the app to take pictures. Second, allow the app to know where you are so you know where the pictures were taken. Finally, allow the app access to your photos so you can upload your own pictures. You will then be taken to this screen. Click on Email. Do not click on Sign In with Google, and do not click on Sign In with Facebook. Then you're going to need to click on Sign Up at the top right. Enter your name, your email address. Confirm your email address. Be sure to use the one that you used when you signed up for the app, and then push Create. You will then probably be taken to this screen that tells you you need to verify your email address. We're trying to eliminate this step. If you get this message, go to your email, find the email message from FishVerify support, open that email, and click on this long and complicated link. That will take you to this screen. Your email has been verified. You can now go back to the app, and it should take you to the home screen. You are now ready to participate in the study. You can close the app, and then wait until the day when you're going to take a fishing trip. When you are ready to go fishing, open up the app and click on the Start Trip button. This will take you to a map that shows you where you are physically. You can start the trip at any place, but it's a good idea to start where you still have good internet access. Click on the Trip Details button, and that will open up the screen that shows you a list of questions that we would like you to answer before the start of your trip. You should be able to quickly show us how many people you are fishing with, whether you own the boat, and things like that. These questions may change over time. When you're done answering the questions, click on the Save button, and this will take you back to the home screen. Now you're really ready to start fishing. Probably the most important feature of the app is the Identify button. This allows you to take a picture of a fish and know exactly what it is and what are the regulations associated with that fish. When you click on the button, you'll get some instructions about how to take the picture. Make sure there's good lighting in front of the fish and not too bright behind it. After it identifies the fish, it'll tell you about the fish, and it'll tell you about some of the regulations that are relevant where you caught it. If you're going to release the fish, please click on the More button and mark as released. This provides us valuable information about catch and release fisheries and about undersized fish as well. When you're done reading the information, click on the Close button, and that will take you back to the home screen. In order to get a good sense of where fish are in the Gulf, we ask that you please identify each of the first 3 fish that anyone on your boat catches, whether you decide to keep them or release them. We also ask that you please identify all of the fish that you decide to keep during your trip. If you don't have cell phone service, you'll see this message that the catch has been saved, but not identified. When cell phone service is reestablished, the catch will appear in your catch log. You can go there and identify whether the fish was kept or released. Even if you don't have cell phone service, please identify the first 3 fish that you catch at each location and all the fish you retain. This provides us valuable information about fish in the Gulf, even if they're way out. When you're done with your trip, go back to the home screen and click on Start Trip again. This will take you to this screen, and you click on Finish. This will open up a series of questions that we'd like you to answer about your trip. For the yes/no type questions, simply roll the no into the gray bar and then continue. When you're done, click on Save and you're ready. Remember, 1 in every 25 participants will be selected for a $500 gift. We will contact you by email if you are selected. Thank you for participating in this study. If you have friends or family members who would also like to participate, they can do so by going to the link tx.ag/recfishing. Thanks again.